Let's go behind the barn door and see Cow.
How are you this morning? Huh? Wanna look at me? Huh? I wanna look at you. You're still looking good. Huh?
Goodness, it's so green underneath there from eating the grass, huh? The hay. Yeah. Oh, you want to smell my camera? Huh? You want to smell it? Huh? Are you ready to moo now? What's all that noise? Huh? Oh, there's a little girl looking at you. Yes, there's a little girl. She's pointing at you. Yes, she is. Look at this little girl. Can you give us a moo? Can you give us a moo? Yearling, 2 years old. There's our mooer, boys and girls. What? What are you saying? What? What? Oh, wow, that was a big moo. What? Oh my goodness, you... Miniature black cow. Hi. Hi there. It's good to see you again. Yes. Oh, look at that mouth, boys and girls. Look at that mouth. Hi, sweet. Feels good for me to rub your ear, huh? Ooh, yes. Yes. This is a miniature cow, boys and girls. This is a female. This is a female. She's going to one day have babies, huh? Come here. Come here and see me. Come on. Come here. There you are. Hey, you. You're looking good. Do you like your new stall? How do you like your new stall? Do you want to say hi to the boys and girls? Miniature black and white cow. Miniature cow, boys and girls. Hi there. Say hi to the boys and girls, can you? Can you say hi to the boys and girls? And our cow. Look at all the animals on this hillside, boys and girls. Oh my goodness, who is this? Here's someone new at the farm. Hi there, new at the farm. Are you gonna get up? Huh? You can get up so we can see how big you are? Come on, get up. Come on, get up. Come on, get up. Get up. Come on and say hi. Come on and say hi to us. Yes. Come on.